This video guides you how to use the Conflict Resolution Assistant. This agent assists users in cracking coherent responses to open issues, utilizing the FIRR approach. Initiate a conversation with the assistant by clicking on Start Chat. Describe the facts in chatting, do not give any opinion. The agent will identify whether the fact is reasonable. Then it will guide you to provide more details. Provide specific details of the problem in the text input field. Response and guide you to next step. Explain the impacting of this behavior. The agent will reorganize the impact statement and prompt you to next process. Fill in the corresponding content following the instructions. Give the feedback and indicate user to fill in request next. Clearly communicate the desired behavior or solution in the text input field. The application will organize a complete thought to you. Then it will confirm your acceptance of the content. Provide feedback. Review the final message and prepare to address the issue with the employee. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Conflict Resolution Assistant.